Recently, euro to the Swiss franc was making 23-year lows right in this area. It kept dropping lower and lower. We watched this market for several weeks before taking a structured long trade using the VMS 2.0 strategy. I'm going to explain to you what we did, what it looked like. Here is the trade. Here are the triggers. We have rejection in this area. On the 4-hour chart, we have momentum is divergent right here, and you can see that it's low and hooking up. If we go to the daily chart is showing momentum to be up and divergent, and that's what we look for on the daily. We had an engulfing candle here. We had volume was at 50 on the 4-hour, 86 on the 1-hour, and 90 on the 15-minute. The market consolidated and then moved out, came back, actually gave us perhaps another opportunity right here, and came up to the Fibonacci 38% retracement level. We use that as guides for our stop or for our take profits. And this is what the overall trade looks like. We've done very well in the last few months in this particular market. But overall, you can see it was in a solid downtrend. And because of the VMS 2.0, watching for momentum and waiting patiently for momentum. We don't anticipate, we wait. And this trade was not about predicting what was going to happen. It was about preparation, patience, and alignment. The VMS 2.0, we're looking for momentum to be high or low, and depending on which direction we want the market to go in. And we, on the 4-hour chart, it's mandatory that the momentum is divergent. And we also have to check the daily chart to verify that the daily is in the same direction as what we think the market is going to be going. So it's like here, if I'm thinking this market's going up, I wouldn't want momentum to be high and pointing down. That would be completely against what we're looking for. And I've had momentum on the daily chart that have kept me from making a bad trade. And several times that's happened. So we are using that in every single trade we take. And if that's against it, we're not taking it. So hope this helps you guys. VMS 2.0 is about momentum being divergent on the 4-hour and with you on the 1-hour. Volume, you need to see strong volume, and we use 3 different time frames to do that in the direction of what you're looking for. And you need to see structure. So for us, and everybody's going to read that just a little bit different, but for us, this looks like pretty good rejection here. This is not, it doesn't look like quite a hammer candle, but that one probably is. And then we had another, not super strong, but we had a good candle to the upside here, right at the same time that momentum is hooking, if you see that. So go back and back test this stuff. It works, man. All right, have a great day. I will talk with you later.